Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back, and I'm looking to purchase another printer, and I'd like you guys to give me another bit of suggestions. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends, we are at GearBest.com, and I'm going to type in 3D printers, and let's see what kind of options we have this week. I'm going to try and stay close to that $200 price again. We looked at the U30 last time, and if we scroll down here, there is an ANET ET4 for $209 that is interesting, 17% off. The Ender 3, which I have one, another one for $199 is a great price. I'm going to quickly hit the $200 to $500 button so we can see these better. And I'm going to sort them by price, so our $200 printers are at the top. So once again, we got the U50. There's a refurbished printer, which I doubt I want. The ET4, which I'm going to include. The Ender 3. And the TiVo Tarantula. So we've got 4 printers to look at. Let's quickly check some specs. Alright, so let's start with the U50. 205 to my door. Ships in 8 to 19 business days. If we scooch down and look at the statistics of this printer, it has a large 260 by 270 bed, and it has a 5-step installation that only takes 15 minutes, and I did make a video that shows how to complete that installation, and I am enjoying it at this time. Let's go back and let's take a gander at the ET4. Switch to the US plug. Price is $209, 8 to 19 business days, 10-minute assembly. It says it has automatic leveling, but I'm not sure that's on this one when I look at the pictures. And the bed is 220 by 220 by 250, so it does have a smaller bed. But that is typical on what I use with a lot of my printers. Real quickly, let's take a peek at the Ender 3. I have one of these and I love it. It does have 220 by 220 by 250. Make sure it has the US plug, same price. US plug is actually cheaper, which is pretty darn cool. And then actually I've got a video that shows how to add a glass bed, so I'm not worried if I purchase that one, so I do like that price. Let's go back quickly and take a look at that TiVo. It does have a larger bed at 235 by 235 by 250. Looks like there is an arrival notice, so we're not quite sure that's in stock at the moment. Since there's no button to actually purchase, you can just say, hey, when it's there, I want it. So I'm going to scratch that off my list, but I'm going to keep my eyes on it for the next time I purchase. Alrighty, friends, so in the end, it looks like we are picking from 3 different printers. We have got the AlphaWise U50, we've got the ANET ET4, and we've got the Creality Ender 3. My friends, just simply click that little poll, give me a vote, and let's see what kind of printer we buy. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. I will have links to these printers down below, so you can check the descriptions as well, see if there's some sort of feature that I did not mention that I should have mentioned. And my friends, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.